You're welcome to this session where we are going to look at how to download and install Python interpreter on our local computer. So you can install Python interpreter on whatever operating system you're using, on Windows, on Mac, on a Linux power operating system. I'm on a Windows operating system, so I'm going to show you how to install Python interpreter on the Windows machine, and you can follow the same steps to install on whatever operating system you are working on. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it. So you open your web browser and you search for Python on Chrome or whatever search engine you are using. So if you search for Python, you get to see this. So we have the first link, which is welcome to Python, and downloads. So you can easily click on download, and you are going to have a page just like this where you have download the latest version for Windows. So I'm on a Windows machine, as I earlier made mention. That is why you can see it says download the latest version for Windows. If you're on a Mac, it will have said download the latest version for Mac. If you're on a Linux power machine, it's going to say download the latest version for Linux. As of this moment, the latest version of Python is Python 3.10.6. So in order to download the Python 3.10.6, I'll just click on download and my download will commence. So it's going to take some few minutes to download. So we'll pause the video and we'll restart when the download is complete. Okay, my download has been completed. So as you can see, I have the Python application on my desktop. So to install it now, all I have to do is double click on it, click on run, install. One important aspect you're supposed to always make sure you put in place when downloading Python is making sure you always take at Python 3.10, 3.9, or whatever version of Python you are using to the path. So we are going to look at the importance of this in the subsequent video, but always make sure you check at Python 2 path. Now you click on install now. Yeah, give administrative privileges, and it's going to take some few minutes to install. So we'll wait for it to install to the end. Then we are going to take a test, and we are going to write some Python codes to make sure that our interpreter works perfectly. Okay, so it said setup was successful. So as of this moment, we have successfully installed Python interpreter on our local computer. So it means at this moment you can write codes, that you can create files that end with .py and execute them on your desktop.